Hey guys, Sleep back, and today we're going to be exploding marshmallows in the microwave. Oh yeah, something, if you guys see this video, tell me if it's better to film like this or like this. Alright, so here we go. So got this marshmallow. Just a normal marshmallow. Put it in. Close the door. Oh, well, the light will turn on one. So 4 minutes, would you say? So 4, 0, 0. That's hours. No, it's not. Alrighty. Now it's very not good. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. The heck? Will it get bigger?
I don't know.
The heck? It just got huge. Should I turn it off?
No.
It's not gonna get any bigger, I don't think, is it? How big did yours get?
Oh, this depends on the power. That's big. No, you can't film like that.
Why?
Because it doesn't turn.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, now it's burning.
Okay. Stop. That smells amazing.
Don't touch it.
Oh, that's cool. It got so big, it was like, it expanded like that big. Is it really hot? It's like chocolate inside of it. Wow, that smells amazing.
Just burn.
Well, see you guys in the next video.